I know I got you guys in an awkward position, but I'm sorry. So y'all can see gut and chin. But it's okay. Everybody say hello to gut and chin. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Dionne. Please subscribe to my channel, and to my returning chat partners, I really appreciate you guys' support. So guys, it is Saturday morning. Well, not morning, it's actually after 12 o'clock. I'm getting to run some errands. I actually supposed to be out of the house already. I kind of got behind a little bit because I was like laying around just a little bit. And yeah, so I'm going to eat me some breakfast first before I leave the house. That's key. Take my blood pressure medication, and then I will be on my way. And I want to eat breakfast first. That way, when I'm out and about, I won't get anything. If I do bring back anything to the house, it could be something for lunch or something like that. First things first, let me take my vinegar shot. That's the first thing I've had this morning. I'm gonna drink a little apple juice with my breakfast. And I also have the rest of this water down the drink as well. And I got 2 forks in my plate for some reason. It's okay. 3 boiled eggs, 1 whole egg, and half of an egg. I took the yolk out because I'm not gonna eat that. And then I have 2 thin rice cakes with the eggplant bell pepper spread on it that I get from Trader Joe's. Guys, and I tell you, this spread is so good, and it's healthy too. It doesn't have like a lot of crazy ingredients in it. I gotta do a light grocery shopping. I think I'm gonna go by Trader Joe's and Food Line. Now I also have to go to Walmart as well. Let me take my blood pressure medication. Hey guys, I'm back. I know I got you guys in an awkward position, but I'm sorry. So y'all can see gut and chin. But it's okay. Everybody say hello to gut and chin. I'm working on it. Guys. Now I don't know what's going on with my camera, with my phone, because I record from my phone. I don't know what's going on with it, guys. So the other day I was trying to record a video, but when I did it, it had went over to, was it slow-mo or something like that? And then I don't know, for some reason now when it records, the color just looks a little off. It's like a light or something on there. And I'm not tech savvy. I'm not sure how to get it off. I'm gonna ask my daughter. So that's why it's looking a little funny or something. I don't know what's going on, but I'm gonna see if she can check it in. started late, and plus I was just over it because we went to Walmart first. And it was just like 9,000 people in there, and I just can't. And I just kind of get a little overwhelmed when it be a large crowd. But anyway, so I'm gonna do a little haul for you guys. And this haul was kind of like just different things that I wanted to get. 3 of the Dial coconut water mango for the bathrooms, hand soap. And they was only like $1.24. I was like, you can't beat that. And I got this little hand sanitizer that I can put in my pocketbook. I'm gonna put it in my purse right now. Put this in my purse. There was $1. And I also got these little Nerd gummies with the little clusters. They actually good. I was like, I don't know, I just wanted something sweet. I think it's time for my mustard to come on. So, hey Annie, how you doing? Take some stuff on my pocket. I need to lock the door. This one I need to do. But let me go lock the door and the keys up. Hey Annie. Hey sweet girl. Hey poo-poo. I also took my shoes off and took my sneakers off and put my bedroom shoes on. I got 2 things of frozen broccoli, navy beans, some lentils. I got this Mediterranean style lentil soup, and it's 24 grams of protein. Can't wait to try that. And I got some green beans and some more navy beans. I just got some beans because sometimes we like to mix the different beans together and put up with rice. That's good instead of eating meat all the time. And then I got these 2 vegetable Jamaican style turnovers. They be pretty good. I like them. Something for lunch or a snack. They got cabbage, water, chickpeas, vegetable mix, corn, green peas, green beans, lima beans, stuff like that. Got some lavender Lysol spray to clean the counters off and the kitchen and in the bathroom. Veggie romaine, garlic soy flavor, just something I wanted to try. Just to see what it tastes like. And then my brother Justin, before he went back to Thailand, he put me on to these Planters Nut Duos. It's the peppercorn flavor, pistachios, or Parmesan flavor cheese cashew. Guys, this was so good. So I bought some of these. Got 2 small things of apple juice. Got some eggs. And these eggs is like $5. 2 things of the Polar sardines that I like, and these sardines are naturally smoked boneless skillets, and they don't have any head or bones in them or skin. I really like these guys. It's high in protein, and the reason why I got them was because they was like $1.98, and the food line they be $2.99. I was like, yeah. And I got me a tuna, garlic and herb, and another thing, green beans, and then I got Curtis and Onyx, some cat food. Okay, beautiful people, so I'm getting ready to sit down and eat my lunch for today. I actually have some Bojangles, got the honey mustard dipping sauce, and I have a sandwich. I'm going to eat the chicken sandwich, and I'm getting ready to go live on YouTube. So guys, this is just part of my Saturday. You guys are enjoying the video so far.